Hello everyone. Hope you all guys are doing very well. Okay, so let's start with our today's session. But again, before starting our today's session, let's revise what we have done in our previous sessions. So in our previous sessions, we have discussed about what Power BI is, what is BI, how BI and Power BI are related with each other, what are the three different views in Power BI, and also we have concentrated, or we can say we have started concentrating on our first view, that is report view. In report view we came to know how we can load the data inside Power BI with the different data sources that are available. Currently for our learning purpose we have used a CSV file. Also we have created one of the visualization, that is report. So that is actually this one, report table. Okay, and also we have worked on the formatting of this particular table visualization. And now let's talk about our today's session. So today we are going to work on one, or I must say one of the other visualization. So today we will be not taking a report, or I must say a table. Today we will be working with a chart. So let me select any of these chart. So we guys can see that this is the report that we have worked on previously. Currently I have shrinked its size because I want to add a new chart over here, or I must say a new visualization over here. So let me select one of the visualization from the visualization place. So I would like to select a bar chart, and in specification I would say stacked column chart. So let me select this one. Okay, now let's add the data. Oh, what is this? What actually happened right now? Can you guys see? So, on watching it, we come to know that when we selected a new visualization, it actually overrided the existing one. That means the table is being replaced by the stacked column chart. Now the question is why it happened. It actually happened because when we started working with a new visualization, we kept the previous visualization as a selected one. So since it was already selected, so it got overridden with the new visualization. So what we need to remember in this case? In this case, we need to remember that if we want to work on any other visualization, apart from what we are working right now, we should deselect it so that we can get the new one and not override the earlier one. So currently what I'll be doing is I will be doing a control Z over this place, and now I will deselect this report. So I'll click on screen. Now it's not selected, and now I'll be selecting my visualization. So on click of my visualization selection, you guys can see that my chart is available now, but I want to increase its size so that we can see all the data that we are going to add. So let me increase a little bit more size. Okay, now we are good. But before we add data, we need to take care about these things that are available in the field section. So it's having access, legends, values, and tooltips. So in access we need to add the alphanumeric fields, the field based on which we need to see the data. Okay, so here it should have alphanumeric values. In case of legends, it should be having some data that is going to differ, or that is going to present the data in different colors, indicating to some amount or some values. Okay, similarly, in case of values, we are going to add some measures or some numeric values. For example, product cost. And in tooltip, suppose we want to see something on the report side. When we hover on that particular report or on that particular visualization, we should be able to see the data on the hover of it. So what is actually hovering? So for example, if I hover the data, you guys can see that I am getting women's tights M. So this is something that I hovered, and the women's tights what I am getting is a tooltip. So if anybody wants to see some particular data in tooltip, we can do that too. Okay, so let me add the value in access. So since I said it should be in alphabetic uh, format, so let me select a product name field here in access, and then in values I'll be putting product cost. And now I don't like this color and I think I want it to be more detailed. So now I am going to add the product color in legends. Okay, now you guys can see that we are getting multiple colors here. But when I go and check on the legends, I see that here it is written as black, but it's actually being blue, indicating with blue. Similarly, for blue, it's been indicated with dark blue, and in case of gray, it's indicating some other color. So now we are going to work with the report formatting, or I must say visualization formatting. So what I want to do is, I don't want to see these bar colors as per the color that is being provided by the system. Now I want to give color according to the colors that are actually written over here. So now I'll keep this selection clicked, and now I'll move on the formatting side. After that, since this is going to be a data, this is presenting some data, so we need to go on the data color side. Now you guys can see that here are the options like black, blue, gray, multi, not applicable, red, silver, silver black, white, yellow. So now let's fix it. When it says black, it should be actually black. Okay. When it says blue, it should be blue but not this one. So this one. When it says gray, it should be gray. When it should be multiple, then we need to select multiple value, but we are not having. So in that case, let's select this one. No, not this one. We need to select some other color that is not available. So let us consider this color as multiple color. Not applicable. Let's put white color in it. And for red, we can select red. Not sure if it's red. It looks like red. Okay. And when we are talking about silver, so here it is silver. And when we are saying silver slash black, then in that case, since they are indicating two different colors, so let me select a different color from this place. Let's take something that is between black and silver. So this one looks similar to that. Again, okay, there is a white color too, so we will select it as white, and the one that we have given on top as white, we will make it some other color. So let's make it this color. Okay, it's done. And for yellow, again we need to select the yellow color. Oh, this not looks yellow, little lighter. Let me select from here yellow color. Okay, now our legends and the color that is written and the color that are indicating the color that is written is almost same. So this is something that I have tried with formatting. So if I want to make some other changes too, I can do that. For example, I don't want to see the heading of this report, or I must say I don't want to see these labels like product cost and product name, because the heading the title itself is telling me what it is. Okay, so let me just hide this one. once. Okay, now let's go on x-axis and see what is there. So in x-axis there is the option of title. So let's off. Okay, once we have off the title, we guys can see that there is no title coming in x-axis. If you have not seen, then please view it again. When it is on, it is having a product name as a x-axis title, but on doing it off, it actually hided the title. Similarly, I want to do the same for y-axis too. I want to hide product cost, so I'll go down and check for the title and I will do it off. So now I'm not going to have these values. Again, there is one more change that I want to do, that is with the ligands. So I don't want them to be at the top, I want to reposition them. So let's open this and position it to some other place, like we can do it as bottom, and I guess bottom will look much better. So this looks good to me, and I don't want to put its name in this manner, so I want a space between product and color. So this is also done. Now the label is also fine for this ligand, and I want one more change, that is size. So now it's fine. Okay, so these are the changes that I have done with the formatting of the of this particular visualization. If you guys want to try some more visualizations and more formatting, please feel free to do that and let me know in case of any query or concerns. So let's have one more homework for today. Today we are going to explore more of the visualizations that are available here. Most of all, like any of the chart, like line chart or area chart, or maybe the stacked area chart, pie chart, donut chart, tree map. So we can go for any of these, okay? So that yesterday, what we have done, we can um, recall it once again. We can work with the formattings, and even today also we have worked with the formatting. So when we are talking about yesterday we have worked with reports, and today we have worked with chart. So we have seen the formatting structure of report and chart both. If you guys have not done your previous day work, so please do it today. Make it a priority. Just try to format to create some of the visualizations and implement more of the formatting that you can. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.